Pat Radens with Unique Specialty and Classics, head tech here. Just want to cover a couple things. We are doing spring tune-ups for people that have had their cars sitting for, whether it's a year, 10 years. We can get them ready for the show season coming up. It's finally getting warm and most of the snow's gone, so everybody wants to start getting their cars out and playing with them. Another thing I'd like to touch base on is if you're going to put air conditioning on your car or rear brake kits, anything, make sure you do your homework on everything, because they say they're bolt-on applications. A lot of them you will run into problems with down the road to where you bolt everything on, it looks great, everything works. You go to put a cooling fan on, it doesn't fit in front of your radiator. Or you go to put your brakes on or your wheels on after you have all the brakes said and done, the wheel won't fit. You have to do your homework. It says, yeah, it will clear 15-inch wheel in the kit. You go to put your 15-inch wheel on, it don't fit. So then you're back to square one. Start over, either you put bigger wheels on or order another kit. Makes a whole bunch more work. Great big headache. So that's just a couple things we wanted to cover today with Unique Specialty and Classics. And like I had mentioned before about the aftermarket kits, this company sells, it's a beautiful accessory kit. Comes with the chrome AC compressor, chrome water or alternator, polished water pump, all the pulleys, all the bolts are covered. You got the fancy little covers for all your pulleys so you don't see the big ugly bolts. But the one thing that they don't mention is that a fan will not fit on here unless you lengthen the fan out about 4 inches, which is going to take up all the room I have in between the radiators, so I'll never get a fan in there. And on this particular unit, what we had to do was order an aftermarket electric fan with a shroud that fits right in the radiator. So now we can put it the rest of the way together once that piece gets here. This is another part of the accessory kit. We ordered everything for the car, and they say everything's going to fit in this car, and the customer really wants air conditioning in the car. Well, this is the box they send me, and this is the room they give me to put it in. Well, there is no way possible I'm going to get that up in there without cutting the whole dash out. So it really pays to do your homework first, make sure everything's going to fit. And what we're going to end up doing with this one is we're putting a full trunk unit in it, so this box and everything will live in the trunk, and then we'll plumb all the cold air up through the body.
The 60 Impala? That's actually a nice car. That one, we're doing a couple things to that one too, and customer bought that from us. This is an absolute gorgeous car, I love it. Absolutely gorgeous car, inside and out. I always like the little tail lights that are on these. That and the chrome that's on here is just absolutely gorgeous. But this is a gorgeous car.
Pat Radens with Unique Specialty and Classics. If you need any work done, give us a call. Area code 507-386-1726. Thank you.
You can contact us at 507-387. I forgot the 16.
386-1726.
Oh, it is. Yeah.
You're golden, pony boy. Pony boy. Wow.
Yeah. All right, Dylan. We're done.
Okay.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.